How to stake cryptocurrency in Binance for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to stake cryptocurrency using Binance.com. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to Binance.com and you will land on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform that allows you to buy, sell, and trade crypto. We can also avail different staking options with Binance that allow us to stake with cryptocurrency. So, in order to get started with Binance, once you get to the platform, you will have to click on sign up with email or phone, or you can click on register option given. So, I'm going to click on sign up with email or phone. So here we are. You can see we have email address and phone number. So you just have to enter your personal email address, your password, and you will click on I have read and agreed to the Binance terms of services. Then we have our phone number right here. So you will need to verify your email address and your phone number in order to get started with Binance. Once you sign up, you will be getting a lot of different options on Binance.com. We have buy crypto that allows us to buy crypto with a lot of different platforms. Then we have marketplace, we have trade, we have different trading options, derivatives, earn, finance, and NFT. So when I go to the earn option right here, we have DeFi staking right here, dual investment, auto investment, and more. So I'm going to click on DeFi staking and it will take us to Binance DeFi staking, dedicated to increase user staking income. With Binance, we actually get pretty good rates, and when it comes to staking, you will be able to stake on the minimum amounts with a very low fee. Before we continue, I just want to clarify that this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto, buying and selling in crypto, staking in crypto involves a high degree of risk, or whether you afford to lose money or not. So make sure that you truly understand staking, you truly understand cryptocurrency, then you can get started with Binance.com and with this, staking. This is actually a tutorial for the platform, and I'm showing you, if you understand staking, how you can get started with Binance. So once you get right here, what you guys need to do is you will be able to see the DeFi staking right here, and we have all of the different tokens. Click on expand all 14 tokens. It will show you. We have LTC, XRP, BUSD, Ethereum. Then we have BTC, AVI, BNB, USDT, Link, Hard, and others. Moving on, we have estimated APR, which is going to be the percentage right here. We have 1.4%, 1.3.9%, 5%, 3.9%, and more. So you just kind of like scroll down to check the percentages. Then we have duration. This is going to be the duration in days, and we have flexible lock. So if you want to go with flexible lock, you can select this option, or we have some of the days available, such as 120 days, 60 days, 30 days. So it of course depends on the days, and the more days you choose, of course, the more APR is going to be. So if I select 120 days, then it's going to be 4.6% flexible with 5%. Similarly, if I go with like 30 days instead of 60 days, then the APR will decrease. Then we have our price right here, like for the token. Minimum locked amount can be 0.001. It's kind of like similar for all of the different tokens. Then we have our stake now option. So you can see some of the coins, some of the tokens have this stake now option, but the others do not have that option. So that means they are actually sold out. So you can actually check what are the different tokens that are sold out and the ones that are available. So once you have selected and checked everything, you will click on stake now, and it will take you to a window where you will be able to enter an amount, the amount that you want to stake. You will be able to calculate your APR and stake cryptocurrency. Of course, you will require some funds in your wallet, and you can actually buy tokens and you can buy crypto really easily with Binance. So let me show you how to do that. You can just go to the Binance.com and you will go to buy crypto. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually select credit card or debit card. Now, Binance is actually one of the platforms that allows you to buy crypto with your debit card. So that is actually really impressive. So you can see here, we have buy and sell option. The estimated price for one Bitcoin is $19,000 because I have selected Bitcoin here. So first you will select your amount, your currency. So I have selected USD. Then we have to select the coin we want to buy. These are the live prices of the coins. We have Bitcoin, 19,000, Ethereum, 1,300, BNB, 200, BUSD, $1. Cardano is 0.36, and we have Alice and many other coins and tokens available. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with Bitcoin right here. And let's say I want to actually spend 1,200. This is the maximum amount you can spend, and I will be getting 0.06 Bitcoin with this amount. Similarly, if I select another one, I actually wanted to buy Cardanos. So we can actually buy a good amount of Cardano for like maybe $100. So I have actually $200. That will actually give me 552 Cardanos. And what will happen is now that if I stake in it and if I take part in it, then I will be able to actually make income, and I can also sell it as a third party, and we will also be able to just have our crypto and do the investment. So this is how you buy and sell crypto on Binance.com. It's really easy. There are other ways to buy crypto as well. When it comes to staking, we have to actually check that what is happening with the coin that we are going to be selecting. So you can actually check out the trading chart, the window right here, and you will be able to actually get a depth view of what's happening. So you can see we have our, pair selected, and then we have our auto break. And this is the chart where you can actually check out your pair. So this actually comes under trading instead of staking right here. So, but you can check out the staking and the marketplace right here as well. Checking out the marketplace is actually really important. When you will be selecting the coin to stake in, you can check the live prices right here. So you can also switch to the DeFi right here, because DeFi staking is available on Binance. You will be able to check the coin, and then we have our prices for DeFi, or you can switch to Metaverse, gaming, and others. Then we have 24-hour change, 24-hour volume, market cap, detail, and trade option given. So from here, I actually get an idea that what coin I should go for and stake in, and what tokens we should buy. In Earn, if I take you back to the DeFi staking, there is also a locked staking available. For that, you will have to switch to locked staking right here, and it will open up the products for you. You can see we have all of the coins, then we have estimated APR, which is in percentage, and duration. So you can see we have flexible and some of the days available. If I switch to 30 days, then of course APR will decrease. We have 120 days, 30 days, 60 days, and then we have flexible option. Similarly, we have subscribe button available for our different coins that are available. You can of course turn on the auto subscribe option as well on Binance. So this is how the locked staking works. Just click on subscribe and you will be able to subscribe for the coin. Of course, we again have sold out option for some of the coins, and the marketplace is actually huge, and it has more tokens and coins than our DeFi staking. So you can see if I scroll down, we have Phantom, we have Solana, we have BNB, we have Polyax, and many others. So you can go ahead and check it out with Binance.com. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.